Hi guys, welcome back. Brad from PI United again, and today we're going to do a Vlookup. So I'm using the same data set we've used before, so you can see the age. We've calculated age using date diff, we've created state using an if and statement, and now we're going to use the Vlookup function to determine gender. So all I've done in this is just copied and pasted these names into another tab, and I've just applied female and male gender to each person. So what this is doing, you may have list, and this is people that have more advanced things that they're doing with Excel, but you may already have a list of female names and male names, and you want to be able to apply them to a data set. So in this case, what we're going to do is a Vlookup. So we're going to create a table header and call this gender, and we'll expand this cell so you can see what's going on, and increase the font size to something crazy like 48. Okay, so another thing I've done, which isn't instantly obvious, is I've created a table name. So all I've done is selected these two, and see how it says gender in the corner there. So if I select a cell, it's going to tell you what cell it is in the corner. I've created a table. So all I've done is selected that and then just typed in gender, and that's given that table the name. So what I can do when I use my Vlookup is equal Vlookup, open parentheses, and it gives you a bit of a tooltip down here what you need to do. So lookup value. So we're going to look up the first name, which is in the B2 is the first instance, so B2, comma. And now it's going to ask us what table array. Well, that's the one that we just created, so that's gender. Now it's going to ask us what column index. So we want to return the value in 2 because a lookup is automatically done in the first column. So we want it to return the value in column 2. And then what do we want to do? We want it to be an exact match. So we're going to put false, which tells it it's an exact match. If you put true, it doesn't have to be an exact match. When we hit enter, you will see I've labeled Reese as a male name, and we scroll down to apply it to all, and we lower the font. You can see it's applied male, female, male, female, male, female. So what we can do with this is do another pivot chart, because we've got our count of ID that we can create. We can then go in and insert pivot chart, select all, yes, and let's do count. Remember, we change this over to a count of IDs, and we can click and drag gender, and you can see that our list has more male and female in it. So now we've got some more information on our customers. We know where all our customers are based on our state and postcode charts, and now we also know the gender of our groups as well, and our age. We've done another spreadsheet, remember, another lookup in the previous video where we did a lookup on where how old our majority of our customers are. So we're getting more information out of our customers, and we just started with a small data set, which was just ID, name, postcode, phone number, date of birth, and that's turned into age, state, and gender. So that's all we need to do with the Vlookup, guys. It's very, very simple. Let me increase the size of this for you again so you can see it, and I'll also put it in the comments below. Increase to 48. Vlookup, open parentheses, B3, because that's the field that we want to check against. Gender is the name of the table that we've created, and we want to pull back the results from column 2, and we want it to be an exact match, so it says false. That's all you need to do when it comes to Vlookup. It's a very simple tool, and it can be used in many different ways. If you're doing a big Excel spreadsheet with lots of calculations, Vlookup is really good for that kind of stuff as well. So thanks for watching. Feedback in the comments, and check out piunited.com for more videos, and check out our YouTube channel. Thank you.